What is up, everybody? It is Wednesday, Weight Loss Wednesday, and just back from a 6 mile walk. Got my banana and date smoothie. Get it in you. High fruit vegan over here. Whole Foods. So, Wednesday, today's topic, we're going to be talking about, are we natural omnivores? Are we natural omnivores? Are we supposed to be eating meat, dairy, eggs, etc., and plants? Now, before I went vegan, before I came onto this lifestyle, I would have said, hell yeah, you know what I mean? We're supposed to eat a variety of things. I grew up eating a variety of different meats and plant matter, etc. However, whenever I came on this lifestyle, I got presented with some information that pointed towards humans being plant eaters, not omnivores, but herbivorous, frugivores, consuming plant-based eaters. And one of the first evidence that pointed towards this is our teeth. Now we have flat teeth, blunt. They're not sharp like other omnivores, carnivores, and our teeth are meant for grinding, or the way we chew side to side. We're not clumping down like that. Most omnivores just bite and swallow. So our teeth are designed for fruits, berries, nuts, and they do no service compared to other carnivores in terms of ripping animal flesh. I mean, you try to bite through cow skin just like that, you break your jaw. So this is one of the first evidence I'm pointing towards that. The second one is our hands. We don't have claws. We don't have claws to like run down and like tear animals apart. I mean, could you imagine trying to rip apart a cow or a pig? You know what I mean? Or a dog, like a horse, whatever you're into. It's just not happening. Okay, we don't have the tools, we don't have the equipment to be able to hunt with with what we have naturally, without weapons, etc. And it's the same with our speed. We're not that fast compared to most animals. We're not that fast. You try to outrun a dog, or it's catching up to you. Like if a dog was chasing you, it's probably gonna catch you. It's probably gonna to catch you. Most predators, most animals are faster than us. Like we don't have the instincts. We don't have the speed, the agility. We've got the endurance. We do have the endurance. I'll say that, but it wouldn't be as effective and as efficient as chasing an animal as it would be just to find fruit or forage for fruit, or dig up tubers and cook up tubers. So we're not really designed for hunting. The next one is our eyes. We've got tricolor vision. So this better allows us to be able to see fruits, vegetables, etc. And another thing about our eyes is that we, when it comes to seeing animal slaughter, animal deaths, animal cruelty, the mere sight of it is emotionally triggering for a lot of people watching. And this is what I felt like whenever I watched the animal slaughter videos. If I ever see an animal hurt, I remember I was walking with a friend's dog one day, and it just kind of laid on the ground and started like convulsing its head, and I freaked out. I was like, "Whoa, what's going on?" However, natural omnivores, natural carnivores, the sight of a dead animal, the sight of an animal that it wants to eat, they light up. They light up. If you see a cow, whenever you've got those little toy, you got that little toy thing that mimics like maybe a mouse or something. You just see them. They like clue in. Even when you see dogs chasing squirrels, they like just clue in, and they like really hone in. Their like whole physiology changes, And there's no textbook that's telling them to do that. That's their natural instincts. If we're hungry and our own dog is there, we're not saying, I really love to eat my own dog right now. So we don't actually have the emotional, instinctual drive to hunt and kill animals. I mean, we go to Tesco's as well. Go to Walmart if you're in America or something like that. We go to Sainsbury's. There's nothing about us really imitates a natural omnivore. And if you look at the last point I want to bring up is our intestines. We have long intestines where most omnivores and carnivores have short intestines. And short intestines are beneficial if you're eating a lot of meat, because short intestine allows the meat to come in and to leave the body as quickly as possible. However, in our system, it takes 3 days to get out of our system because meat has no fiber whatsoever. Whereas plant matter, fruits, vegetables, herbs, etc., all contain fiber. And another thing to note, I'm going to finish on this, is that no omnivorous or carnivorous species gets heart disease from eating food that it was designed to eat. So the more meat, dairy, and eggs we eat, the more likely we are to suffer from heart disease. And throughout history, the kings and queens, the ones that have had access to all this meat and animal products, were the ones that experienced the common Western issues that we're facing today: the gout, the obesity, the heart disease. So, no natural omnivore carnivore will get health issues from eating the foods that it was designed to eat. So, with that being said, those are the main reasons I believe that human beings are plant eaters. And by adopting a more plant-based lifestyle, it will help you in terms of your weight loss goals, because animal products tend to be really high in fat. So hopefully from this understanding, it'll give you a better ground to pursue a more plant-based lifestyle: fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. And hopefully with that, you will see plant-based weight loss success the way we would have naturally have been by consuming natural foods. That being said, thank you very much. Like and share this video if you find this helpful. Peace and love. I'm out. Gotta get my banana date smoothie. That's good.